Are your driving scores for Uber and Lyft wildly different? This video is for you. Hey everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the Rideshare Guy. That's right, we're talking driving scores. Both Uber and Lyft have driving scores. We've talked about this on Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself many times before when it comes to the CMT score and the Smooth Cruiser report, both on Uber and Lyft, and what it could mean for drivers. In fact, Uber has a thing out with standard versus advantage in several different markets right now. And CMT score is part of it, where you have to have a 75 or greater when it comes down to your score in order to qualify for advantage over standard. And then also Lyft has their own Smooth Cruiser report. But what happens when both numbers from both companies are absolutely wildly different? And that's exactly what happened from this particular person that we saw on an X post, where they have a score in the 90s on their CMT from Uber, and then their Smooth Cruiser report on Lyft is 42. So what is going on with these drastically different scores? I mean, it's the same driver, same car, same driving. I mean, you're not going to drive completely different on one platform to the other. No. This is coming down to one simple fact. Lyft, your Smooth Cruiser report sucks. So when it comes down to this, yes, that is exactly what happens. You can definitely tell a massive difference when it comes to how these scores are calculated. And you can see that the CMT is probably much more accurate because it's using more sensors within the phone. And that is going to allow for a more accurate score. So it can tell things like harsh braking or speeding or taking turns too much. All of those things are combined into giving you a score. When it comes to Lyft's Smooth Cruiser report, it's kind of on the same, but clearly their interpretations and their algorithm that is set is completely off when it comes to this. But I want to know, do you have two completely different scores or are they relatively the same? Obviously, CMT is going to be much more accurate because there's a lot more that goes into it. But when it comes to Lyft's Smooth Cruiser report, well, I don't know. But like I said, what are your scores? What's on your Uber score? What's on your Lyft score? And are they drastically different like this? And what kind of things do you think is causing this type of problem besides Lyft's just sucking? All right, make sure you comment below. Let us know. Now, after you're done commenting, make sure you check out this video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.